Ventilation. Turn on the power. Turn on the blue main switch. Use a selectable language mode. Chinese and English version. When the machine is turned on, press the stop button. After pressing emergency stop, switch automatic mode to manual mode. Twist the emergency stop button to the right and stop when it is lifted. Click on the machine to advance together and the tension moves together. And look again. This machine conveyor belt. Is it positive or negative? Correct rotation direction of the conveyor. Turn on both tension switches at the same time. The fill machine comes standard with an edge trimming table, which is spliced